Hello everyone, I'm Yuan from Tsinghua University. I'm very happy to be here share our work, establishing design concepts towards next generation retail, data-enabled design exploration and participatory analysis. This work is carried out in cooperation with Chinese retail company Alibaba. As we all know, Alibaba is similar to Amazon, eBay and other retail companies, mainly focusing on online retail business. However, in recent years, they have begun to attempt to transform their attention from online to offline retailing. Like Amazon Go, a brand new retail business form for futuristic, smart, and convenient shopping experience. As strong retailers, they have rich experience and ability to develop and manage online retail business, also good at research analysis and the prediction of online user consumption behavior. However, facing the retail transformation, they also have their own limitations. Under the influence of the development of online consumption, the behavior habit of customer has changed. That will also affect the technology evolution, interaction style evolution, and customer offline shopping behavior change, etc. At the same time, they lack relevant skills and knowledge. Regarded as a research gap, as a researcher, we have the ability and the interest to help them to solve their problem. After the further investigation, the project is not a simple accumulation of single-cell relationship and human-product interaction experience. The consumption experience and the retail transformation are influenced by multiple factors. The important contradiction have two. The first one is user behavior analysis. The second is information asymmetry among multi-stakeholders. The retail design process involves stakeholders with different perspectives and values. However, they lack communication with each other. Based on the literature review, we found some HCI researchers interested and attempted to improve the shopping experience. However, the complexity of diversity of real-world contexts were easily neglected, and few researchers take into account the retailers' restriction, such as their money cost, learning cost, operating cost, and time cost, which made the design not directly applicable. Regarding this situation, we chose an Alibaba campus store as experimental scenario, which is middle-sized store and over 800 square meter area for shopping. The reason why we chose this store is that the user type is highly uniform and they all students and they have similar age and a similar consumption level. And the chain store has more than 600 similar stores in 300 cities in China. All of them have same size and the same product selections. In the light of the research assumption, we conducted 3 user studies. The first one is pre-experimental for field investigation and technical setup. The experimental officially starts from the second user study. We collected the data from 400 young student customers, including their current consumption interest, shopping paths, and purchase record. Then we conduct a quantitative and qualitative analysis. The experimental result objectively reviewed the consumption habits and the shopping intention of these young customers, as well as the issues of space, interaction, management, and etc. Also, they reviewed the retailers' misunderstandings of customers. To address the issues and the misconception, we organized the study 3, a co-creation workshop, and invited 13 stakeholders for in-depth participatory data analysis. After exchanging opinion and discussions, the stakeholders reached design consensus and put forward many constructive design recommendations for improve the experimental store. The research process, we involved the method of data-enabled design and participatory analysis. In Study 2, we first collected 400 student customer data by UWB, which is a location-based technology. There are different shopping path patterns generated by UWB. After that, we did cross-data analysis through a combination of quantitative and qualitative methods. For more information, welcome you to read the full paper. Here I can share some interesting findings. We found that the most popular products from females and males are totally different, and under the same numbers of males and females participants, we found that the males spend less time buying more products than females. In the other words, the shopping efficiency of males is much higher than females. the result is significant. Usually, we may underestimate the consumption ability of young male customers in offline store. The data shows a comparison of high-frequency past pattern between peak and off-peak shopping periods. There are two entries in the symbolic past pattern can help us infer the numbers of people in supermarkets and different shopping hours in reverse. We compared the median customer's due time and the purchase rate. We have a surprising finding that there is no apparent positive correlation between due time and the purchase rate. The result contradicts the strategies of some traditional retailers. These retailers like through the layout design to extend the shopping time and to increase the purchase rate. That is, the longer they stay, the more they buy. That the result may break their stubbornness. We organized a third user studies with data results and invited 13 stakeholders, include 4 customers, 3 retail staff, and 6 staff from the business unit of the retail company. The user study starts with introduction and brainstorming. In this part, vision value map session is to figure out which category the stakeholders will be interested in and what their dream store is. After that, we get into the data presentation, data result Q&A, and encourage them to exchange their opinions and discuss design strategies. We got some interesting points, like a customer write down a Coca-Cola fans club. The other customer also expressed their approval. They explained that they want a zone where they could make friends, chat, and share preference and thoughts. These wishes may be influenced by their online shopping habits and online social community life. Even the stakeholders reached consensus to develop a group buying business, provide customers with online pre-purchase channels, and offline store picks up to enhance the customer's shopping experience and efficiency. We then worked with stakeholders to make a number of recommendations to improve the store design and the further discussion in future retail design. 4 of these recommendations have already been implemented in the experimental store. Looking back at the entire design process, we summarize the experience of this project into a 3-step model, which are the contextual step, the informed step, and the aware step. I hope it will be helpful to the other similar scenario, especially the practical retail project that involves the large-scale data and expert knowledge in the solution thinking process. This is a brief introduction of our paper. Welcome to you refer the more information from the full paper. Also welcome to contact us if you have any question. Thank you, everybody.